आरम्भं कुर्मः। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये, ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Namaste Sarvebhya. Welcome to one and all for today's chanting session. Happy Shankranti, happy Lohidi, and happy Pongal to all. So we'll do the remaining shlokas revision first before proceeding to the second chapter.
Rupa Shankar Bhagini.
येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च, तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणास्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च.
Pranam, that's all. Otherwise, Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Rupa Mahendra Bhagini, shloka number 34.
Namaste Bhagini.
Yeah.
Acharyaः pitarah putraः tathaiva cha pitamahaः matulashvashuraः pautraः shala sambandhinasthatha.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Renu Joshi Bhagini, shloka number 35.
Namaste Guruji. Edana handumichami gnatobi madhusudana abitrailokya rajyasya hedoh kinnu mahikrite.
Uttamam Bhagini, they just pronounce the api.
Gnatobi.
No, api trailokya.
Oh, api trailokya rajyasya.
But I heard abi, that's why.
Sorry.
Radhan Narayan Mahodaya, shloka number, Uttamam Bhagini. Radhan Narayan Mahodaya, shloka number 36.
Amo.
No. Shloka number 36, Mahodaya.
Sorry. Nihatyadardharashtannaha kavridisya dhanardana papamevashrayatman
Papamevashraye dasman.
Papamevashraye tasman Advaitanatatayinaha.
Uttama Mahodaya. Dharta Rashtra ka breedis no preetis. Tha. So that's
Okay,
Uttama Mahodaya.
Okay, Mother.
Yeah. Shloka number 37. R. Deepa Bhagini.
Sarvam Krishna. Tasman narhayanam hantum.
Again, go back, Bhagini. Go back.
Tasman narayanam hantum.
Where is Narayanam Bhagini? Tasman narha vayam hantum. Narayanam is not there.
Okay. Tasman narha vayam hantum dhartarashtran swabandhavan swajanam hikatam hatva sukhinas syama madhava.
Uttama Bhagini, Uttama.
Thank you.
Shloka number 38. Preeti Anand Bhagini. Your internet is not correct. Sit in another place, Bhagini. I will call you back. Give another name.
Yedyap-
No, the internet is
Can you hear me, ma'am? Hello?
hello, we are not unable to hear. You
Okay,
sit in
okay.
another place.
We don't have power
No, we
supply
will wait
here.
for you,
Maybe
Bhagini.
the reason.
We will
We'll
call
call
you,
you.
Bhagini.
You sit
Can
in
you-
another place. Your voice is not correct. Prema Natarajan,
Okay.
Bhagini.
Bhagini, yesterday I was traveling. I can participate today.
ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചടി കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല അമ്മ കേട്ടില്ല നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇന്റർനെറ്റ് കണക്ഷൻ
Who is that? Who is the one traveling yesterday?
Nima Prakash.
Okay, you
Recite.
can chant this, Bhagini. 38. 38 you can chant.
Shall I chant now?
Yeah.
Namaste. यद्यत्येपेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्.
Uttamam, Bhagini, Uttamam. Shloka number
Dhanyawada,
39.
Jailakshmi KG.
Jailakshmi KG, Bhagini.
कथन्नज्ञेयो
Wait, Bhagini, wait. Kathan is not there. Kathan, Kathan Gneyo is not there. Gneya Masmabhihi.
कथन्नज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापा तस्मान् निवर्तितुं वर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Shloka number 40, sorry.
Sri Vidya Prasad.
Shri Vidya Prasad, Bhagini.
Yes, Mahodaya. Yes. कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवात्
अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत. Uttamam. Shloka number 41.
41. If anyone have not chanted yesterday, please raise your hand. Okay, Shanta Bhagini.
Yes, ma.
41.
अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्ण प्रतुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः.
Uttamam, Bhagini, Uttamam.
Devasena.
Devasena, Bhagini, 42. Shloka number 42.
संकरो नरकायैव कुलज्ञानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः.
Uttamam, Bhagini, Uttamam. Shloka number 43. 43.
Preeti B Bhagini.
Yes, Mahodaya. दोषैरेतैः कुलज्ञानं.
No. Retaihi, that looks very, no, it's not correct. Doshai retai. We are removing the visarga. Whenever visarga, after visarga ka comes, half ka should be added. Doshai retai kulagnanam.
Okay. दोषैरेतैः कुलज्ञानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः.
Recite once more now with the tune. Doshairetai kulagnanam.
Okay. दोषैरेतैः कुलज्ञानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते
Utsadyante. That is utsadyante.
Okay, ma'am. उत्साध्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः.
Uttamam, Uttamam. But still you need practice, Bhagini. I hope you are all attending the practice sessions.
Preeti Anand Bagini, your internet is okay now?
Hello, sir.
Recite 44.
उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासं भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुमम्.
Bhagini, Naraki Niyatam is, we are not saying is wrong. But Niyatam Vasaha.
नरके नियतं वासः नरके नियतं वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम.
Bhavadi is not there. Bhavati Tyanushushrum.
भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम.
Practice Pandungo Bhagini. Next. 45. Saraswati Ramakrishnan Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yad rajya sukalobhena hantum swajanam udyataha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Shloka number 46.
Savita Pradeep Bagini.
यदि मामप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. Anantalakshmi Bhagini. Shloka number 47.
Okay. Sanjaya Vacha Eva Muktvarjuna Sanke Rato Basta Ubhavishat Visrudya Sacharam Shapam Shoga Samvikna Manasaha.
You recite second line once more. Sasharang Chapam. Shapam no. Shapam is not there. Cha.
Visrudya Sacharam Shapam Shoga Samvikna Manasaha.
Shoga no. Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Shoka Samvikna Manasaha. Eva Muktvarjuna Sankhe.
Last one.
Anita, yes.
Anita, yes, Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayai Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayaha.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yeah.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayan Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yoge Nama Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayaha.
Uttamam. Shri is Dirgha. Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then Brahma Vidyaya. Because every end of the chapter you have to recite this.
Oh.
Once more, if you want, you recite that.
Yes, ma'am. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Brahma Vidyayai Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
Uttama Bhagini. Today we are going to start with a new adhyaya.
Yesterday we told that anybody can explain what they have learned from chapter 1. If you are ready, you can raise your hand. Anybody who has learned or understood what they have learned from chapter 1. You know, we have finished chapter 1. Can anyone
I
say?
can chant, but raise option is not there
Not
in
chant.
my right.
Don't chant.
Sorry,
You
I
have to
can
explain.
yeah, I can explain.
Explain, ma. Go now. Go ahead.
So, in the field of Kurukshetra, where the war was supposed to begin, that is Dharmakshetra, which was Dharmakshetra. It is called. It is because it has got that some fame as Dharmakshetra, that Kurukshetra. Pandavaha, Kauravaha, Tatra, there they were all. They were all there assembled. So at that time, Dhritarashtra will ask Sanjaya, what my Kauravas and Pandavas are doing there. So he says that Duryodhana has gone to Bhima and he is explaining who are all the warriors present in our Sainya and Pandavas Sainya. I need not tell everything in detail, sir. Shall I just, sir?
Ma'am, I am not asking you to explain, but what you have learned, a theory, small theory.
Oh, theory.
From chapter 1.
Okay. Okay. It's a small theory. So whenever we have to face some problem, if we are afraid of seeing our relatives are there, our friends are there, I am not doing like that, we will get in our mind. But we should not have all those things. We have to concentrate on our duty, and we have to do that without any hesitation.
Very good, madam. Rupa Mahendra Bhagini.
Yes,
Please,
Mahodaya.
small talk.
Sure. What I learned was the root cause for all these sufferings is our inability to deal with the conflict. Actually, we kind of there are problems everywhere in the world. Okay, what we do is we emphasize on our problems and we are not thinking about how to handle it. That conflict, we have it within ourselves itself, like how Arjuna was thinking in his mind, right, of so many other things than dealing with that at that point. So for me, it is a big learning from this chapter 1, because Bhagavad Gita was totally new to me and I'm liking it more now. Thank you so much.
Excellent, Bhagini. Excellent. Sharada Bhagini.
So basically, this chapter gives me a lesson that when you are trying to see what is right and what is wrong in a conflict situation, always think righteousness and not get emotionally carried away, seeing the opponent being a relative or not, or something like that. Take the path of righteousness, not the emotional bonding which we have. That is my understanding.
Very good. Jailakshmi KG Bhagini.
Yes, in this chapter, Arjuna's unhealthy mental weakness drains off his heroism. That is a very big lesson we have to learn. We should be always in the right path. We should not be emotionally attached to anything.
Very good, madam. Very good, madam.
Thank
you. Radhika Sai Bhagini.
Namaste,
Radhika
Mahodaya.
Sai
Namaste.
Bhagini.
Yes, namaste ji, namaste. So this is first chapter. What I learned is, first thing, we have to be very conscious that we are we are the mentors for our next generation. So I was able to relate Arjuna's mindset. Say what I'm going to transfer to my next generation if I do that. So though I am in righteousness, I have this battle whether I am doing wrong. What will the next generation learn from me? So that was very touching for me, actually. So we have to follow righteousness, but how we are going to show it to our next generation is very important. That's what I learned from this.
Very good, madam. Excellent. Uma Ji Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya Bahini. Actually, what I learned is like Arjuna, he was so confused as what to do. Same way, we also have a lot of confusion, chaos, everything in our life. So we should know to face them and continue with our duties. We should not get stuck in one place, but we should follow our duties and do it. Thank you.
Very good, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Pramod Maheshwari Mahodaya.
Namaste. From this chapter, the points raised by Arjuna are very much similar to our day-to-day life situations. And I haven't learned yet much from anything from this chapter yet, as Lord Sri Krishna hasn't started speaking anything. I'll try to learn henceforth.
Srinitya Ganesh Bhagini.
My major learning from this was, as Arjuna had conflicts, similarly we also face certain conflicts at certain point of time, and many a times we are carried away by what other people would say or what our relatives would say. So instead of that, we should just focus on what we have to do and what is right. That was my major learning.
Kalyani Rajan Bhagini.
Sir, what I have learned is we all face all sort of confusion, mental confusion, but we should always believe that we can have all those queries answered if we, take to the Paramatma. Like if you go and pray or ask, or if you tell your things to, the Almighty, we will get right solutions. So our confusion will be cleared. That's what I learned.
Very good, ma'am. Right. Thank you, all of you, that you have tried. See what Vivekananda want to say now. Swami Vivekananda. Before we start chapter 2. See, Swami Vivekananda says, my wants are nothing compared to Arjuna's demands on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. He could find time in the midst of the turmoil of the battle to think and talk highest philosophy. We need to learn from this. We ought to be able to do as much in our life, comparatively free and comfortable. What he says is, we have to be free and comfortable in our life. So I am so grateful that most of you have understood. Yes. And it is good that we explain something and you learn something from Bhagavad Gita. So thank you all of you. So next Madam will start
Another
chapter 2. Another interesting long chapter. In this chapter, Arjuna reiterates to Lord Krishna that he is unable to cope with this current situation where he has to kill his elders and teachers. He refuses to take part in such a battle and requests Sri Krishna to be his spiritual teacher and guide him. I want to run away. Please guide me what to do on the proper path of action. Then Supreme Lord starts imparting the divine knowledge of Sankhya Yoga, knowledge of the yoga to Arjuna. So welcome. We will start chapter 2 now. Pallavi Ganesh Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
Dvitiyodhyayah. That yes mark is there. You can drag it. So then dhya you can take. Dvitiyodhyayah.
Atha Dvitiyodhyayah. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah.
Sankhya Yogah.
Sankhya Yogah. साङ्ख्ययोगः
उत्तमं भगिनि.
Yes, ma'am.
हर्ष पावनानि भगिनि. हर्ष पावनानि भगिनि.
अम्मा कधी पण आज कसं घ्यायला काल
हर्ष पावनानि भगिनि. कॉल संबंध
जी भगिनी.
उमा जी भगिनि.
अच्छा परत म्हणजे हे ओ
उमा जी भगिनि.
Madam Solatama.
I will recite the entire
Okay,
thing. Now you are going to say.
Okay.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yoga.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yoga.
Uttama Bhagini, Uttama. One more person will teach, recite the entire thing. Hariprabha Bhagini, on your own, will you be able to recite?
No, Harisuta.
Harisuta Bhagini. Harisuta Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Adha no, Atha.
Atha
Dvitiyodhyayah. The and what together? Dvi.
Tvidi.
Dvitiyo, dvi. The and what together? Ti. Ta. First ta.
Tvidi. Correct, ma'am?
No, your pronunciation is going wrong. Dviti.
Dviti. Atha Dvitiyo.
Dvitiyodhyayah. I will call you back, Bhagini. Leave it.
Okay.
I will call you back.
N Padma Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be able to do by yourself, Bhagini?
Yes.
Uttama.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yogaha.
Uttama Bhagini. Let's start.
Harisuta Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to explain before starting. Tam tatha krupaya vishtam. First pada. Tam tatha krupaya vishtam. Tam, to remove the makara. Next letter is tha. So the fifth letter of the varga is na. So tan tatha. Tan tatha. Tan is Risva. Tatha. Tha is Dirga and Mahaprana. Krupaya. Here in this case, in this chapter, I think all blue highlighted words are Mahapranas. Krupaya. Ya is the word which is Dirga. Krupa. Both are Risva. And there are two S's. So you can drag the Ya. Krupaya Vishtam. Vishtam. Vish. V is Risva. Sha. Shanmukha Sha half. Tam. Tama. Both are this one. So make yourself there in your book. Most of the books, Vishtama Shrupa. Shru will be there. Vishtam. Half ma you make it. And add a to that. So for the second pada. Tan tatha krupaya vishtam. Coming to the second pada, I told you to add a small a. Ashru purna kulekshanam. Ashru. Ash. Shankarasha. A is Risva. Sha half. Ru. Risva. Pu dirga. Ra half. Na dirga. Kulekshanam. Ku is Risva. Le dirga. Ksha. Ka and sha. Together ksha. Risva. Na. Risva. Ma half. Ashru purna kulekshanam. Vishidantamidam vakyam. Second pada, sorry, third pada, second line. Vishidantamidam vakyam. Vishi, sha, shanmukha sha. V is Risva. Shi, dirga. Dantamidam. All are Risva. But to remove the makara, next letter is Va. So we have to explain. Here, va, la comes, we have to use that only. Vishidantamidam vakyam. Vakyam. Please make it as half ma. Vakyam. Va is dirgha, ka half, ya, risva, ma half. Vakyam. Now add u to that. Vakyam uvacha might be there. So make it as vakyam. Then add u for the fourth pada. Uvacha madhusudanaha. Uvacha. Va is the only letter which is dirgha. U and cha are hrisva. Madhusudanaha. Ma hrisva. Dhu mahaprana. Hrisva. Su dirgha. The hrisva. Na hrisva. And end if comes. I have mentioned many times, if the end of the line or the sentence or pada, the hrisva, the visarga comes 2 dots, you have to pronounce not in the middle. You should not pronounce in the middle. Let us start beginning. Sanjaya uvacha.
Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya uvacha.
Don't drag it. Uvacha. Uvacha. That's all.
Uvacha.
Tantatha krupaya vishtam.
Tantada kripaya vishtam. Tantada kripaya.
Tada is not there, begin. Tada is not there. Tha, tha. There are 2 tha. Tha, tha. Big tha. Second tha. Tantatha krupaya vishtam.
Tantada kripaya vishtam.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Once more.
Tantada kripaya vishtam.
Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Ashrupurna kulekshanam. Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Uttamam. Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Midam no. Midam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam. Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uvacha madhusudanaha. Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uvacha. Uvacha. Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uvacha. Uvacha. Uvacha madhusudanaha. Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uttamam bagini. Kalyani Rajan bagini.
Yes, Mahoday.
Sanjaya uvacha.
Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya uvacha.
Tantatha krupaya vishtam.
Tantata kripaya vishtam. Tantata kripaya vishtam.
Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Ashrupurna kulekshanam. Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam. Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uvacha madhusudanaha. Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uttamam bagini. Uttamam. Radhika Sai bagini.
Yes, Mahoday. Yes, Guruji.
Sanjaya uvacha. Tantatha kripaya vishtam. Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Sanjaya uvacha. Tantata kripaya vishtam. Ashrupurna kulekshanam. Sanjaya uvacha. Tantata kripaya vishtam. Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Uttamam bagini. Vishidantamidam vakyam. Uvacha madhusudanaha.
Vishitamidam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Midam.
Mitam.
Midam.
Vitam. Okay.
Yeah.
Vitam. Vishitantamidam vakyam. Uvacha madhusudanaha. Vishitantamidam vakyam. उवाच मधुसूदनः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Wherever I say correct yourself there only. So that
Yes,
you
yes.
will not get the PDF. Okay, Uttamam.
Yes,
Shri
yes, Guruji.
Devi
Yes.
Surinarayan Bhagini.
Namaste.
Sanjaya Uvacha Tantatha Kripaya Vishtam Ashrupurna Kulekshanam.
Sanjaya uvacha tantatha kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam. Sanjaya uvacha tantatha kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
विषीदन्तमिदौ वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः. विषीदन्तमिदौ वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. Umaji Bhagini. Umaji Bhagini. Nagalakshmi Bhi Bhagini. Sanjaya Uvacha Tanthatha Kripaya Vishtam Ashrupurna Kulekshanam Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
Sanjaya Uvacha Tanthatha.
Bhagini, only Nagalakshmi Bhagini.
Yes, sir. Sanjaya Uvacha Tanthatha Kripaya Vishtam Ashrupurna Kulekshanam Vishidantamidau Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
Uttama Bhagini. Now Umaji Bhagini will recite the full shloka. Umaji Bhagini.
Sanjaya Uvacha Tantata Kripaya Vishtam Ashru Purna Kulekshanam.
Don't stop anywhere. Atantatha Kripaya Vishtam. There only you have to stop. Ashru Purna, like you are breaking, in between. If you take one pada, that pada should complete. Tantatha Kripaya Vishtam. Then you take a new breath. Ashru Purna Kulekshanam. Like that it should come.
Tantata Kripaya Vishtam Ashru Purna Kulekshanam.
Purna is not there. Purna. Purna. Na is dirgha.
Purna. Ashru Purna Kulekshanam Vishidantamidau Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
Practice, do it. Yeah, one more person.
Srinitya Ganesh Bhagini.
Full shloka Bhagini.
Sanjaya uvacha tantatha kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam vishidantamidau vakyam uvacha madhusudanaha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Let's move on to the next
In
one.
this shloka, Sanjaya says, Dhritarashtra Maharaja, seeing Arjuna, whose mind is grief-stricken and his eyes are full of tears, Lord Krishna spoke the following words. Now Lord Krishna will talk, he says. Jayanti Narayanan Bhagini.
Guruji. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Now I am going to explain. Kutastva kashmalamidam. Kutas, sa is half. Ku is dirgha, hrisva. Ta hrisva. Sa is half. Va dirgha. Kutastva kashmalamidam. First pada. Kashmala. Ka hrisva sha shankara sha. Kasmala no kashmala. Sha is shankara sha half. Ma hrisva la hrisva mi dam. All are hrisva, and the end of the pada you have to pronounce the makara. Coming to second pada, vishame samupasthitam. Vishame, visha, both the aksharas are hrisva, me dirgha, samupasthitam. Sa hrisva mu hrisva, pa hrisva, sthi. Sthi is mahaprana as well as hrisva. Tam, ta is hrisva, ma is half. Coming to second line, third pada. Now you have to put your mark where you have to stop. Anarya jushtama swargyam. I repeat, Anarya jushtama swargyam. Anarya, comma, jushtama, comma, swargyam. That is third pada. Anarya, a is hrisva, na dirgha, ra, anarya, ra is half, ya hrisva, jushtama, ju is hrisva, sha is shanmukha sha, ta is hrisva, ma, sha is half, shanmukha sha, ta is hrisva, ma hrisva, swargyam. You have to pronounce how? Swa, sa and va together, and ra half, gya, swargya, swargyam. Swa, ra and gya and ma. Swargyam, all are hrisva, ma is half. Now add a to your the fourth pada. Swargyam, because we have made half ma, another a will go to the fourth pada. Akirtikara marjuna. A kirti. Ki is dirgha, a hrisva, the is half, ti hrisva, kara, ma. All are hrisva, ra half, ju hrisva, na. Don't say Arjuna like that. Arjuna, that's all. Let us start again. Shri Bhagavan
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Kutastva kashmalamidam. Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Vishame samupasthitam.
Vishame samupasthitam. Vishame samupasthitam.
Uttamam begini. Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Shwa no. Shwa is not there. Swarga. Swargyam.
Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Make sure that swa, not shwa. Swargyam no, swargyam.
Swargyam. Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Uttamam. Akirtikaram arjuna.
Akirtikaram arjuna. Akirtikaram arjuna.
Uttamam bagini. Pramod Maheshwari Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Kutastva kashmalamidam. Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Vishame samupasthitam.
Vishame samupasthitam. Vishame samupasthitam.
Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Anarya jushtama swargyam. Anarya jushtama swargyam.
Uttama Mahodaya. Akirtikaram arjuna.
Akirtikaram arjuna. Akirtikaram arjuna.
Uttama Mahodaya. Uttama. Kavita Vishwesh Bagini.
Bagini.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Kutastva kashmalamidam. Vishame samupasthitam.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Kutastva kashmalamidam. Vishame samupasthitam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Kutastva kashmalamidam. Vishame samupasthitam.
Uttamam Bagini. Anarya jushtama swargyam. Akirtikaram arjuna.
Anarya jushtama swargam.
Swargyam.
Jushtama swargyam. Akirtikaram arjuna. Anarya jushtama swargyam. अकीर्तिकरम् अर्जुन.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Tomorrow we are going to continue this as the time is going on. I will recite everything. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yogaha. Sanjaya Uvacha Tantatha Krupaya Vishtam Ashrupurna Kulekshanam Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanah Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kutastva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam Anarya Jushtamasvargyam Akirtikaram Samapyamah. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadah Sarvebhyah. Punarmilamah. Ram Ram.